Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. Basically, this is 131 part. Basically, we are discussing about the formula part. Basically, that is 131. Here, basically, we are discussing about the Bollywood industry, how groups are connected with the software industry. Basically, so here, basically, we are discussing about the few topics. Basically, how passports, Aadhaar cards, basically, and PAN cards, basically, are uh, are basically giving the earthquakes. Basically, are basically connected with the directly with the earthquakes data. Basically, so this example we have already taken. One more example, basically, I will take. For example, in 1992, basically, one of the person basically left from Mumbai to. I will take one more another story, basically. Um um, in 1992, basically, he left the Mumbai, basically, to Dubai, basically. So then basically in some certain 2015, basically somebody asked, basically, where is this person? Basically, we are not able to find this person. So Bollywood group says that we have the exact data of each and every people, basically what they have done, each and everything. So like this Bollywood groups told that basically he when he was even in 1992 till basically 1992 his age was basically around whatever age, basically that till that time basically he has whatever things he has eaten, basically that data basically we have. So basically the person basically you are shocked, basically. So he told that can you please tell us the entire detail basically of the what the things basically he has eaten, basically. He told that, yeah, basically we can tell you the entire detail, basically, and the detail basically he uh, given like this, basically that are basically he was basically shocked, basically which type of detail basically is. So he has told that we have collected the data basically of that particular person till 1992, basically from our database, basically. So Bollywood groups are telling that we have the data of that person. So like that, Bollywood groups told that, yeah, basically we can give you the data. So like this, they have calculated his body structure and blood cells, basically. So how they calculated, just see. So like this, they told that he basically has eaten 100 kgs of rice till basically he was in Mumbai. He was in Mumbai in 1992 till 1992. Then he basically ate 1 lakh kilo of vegetables, basically, and then basically he has eaten 100 liter of um, water, basically 100 liters of water. Then basically he has eaten around more than 2 lakh eggs, basically till 1992. Then basically they told that he basically has eaten 1 lakh liter of milk, basically. So like this, basically, then basically wheat or meat also basically he has eaten from around 100 kgs of meat, basically. So like this, basically the example was given by the Bollywood industry, and Bollywood industry told that we have the each and every information of that particular person who basically left to Mumbai, to Dubai. From 1992 Mumbai, he left to Dubai. So which are currency basically taken, that also we can give you if you want. So like this, basically, and who has given that currency, that also we can give. So like this, basically they have told that he basically taken around 1 lakh dirham, basically. In 1 lakh dirham, basically around 50,000 dirham was of the of 500 notes, basically, and then rest of the 50,000 dirham was of some other currencies, basically, other number of currencies, but 500 rupees was basically 50,000 dirham. So like this, they told that this many amount also basically he has taken from when he left the Dubai, when he left the Mumbai, basically. So like this, uh, like this, the environment was settled by the Bollywood group, and the Bollywood group says that we have the entire environment of particular person, basically, and this was the environment of that person, basically, who left the India, basically, and who basically given the money. That example also we have, that money also we have. So we have kept the each and every currency number also, basically. So just see up to the track, basically Bollywood group have, basically. So where this Bollywood group's data are, that basically our question basically. And Bollywood groups basically says that we have created the software industry. So basically the Accenture, the Capgemini, the Patani, the BMC, the Genesis company, the then basically BMC company is there, BMC software company is there. Like this big software company, big infotech park are there in Pune. Bangalore are basically contains big software industry park basically. So these all are basically areas where basically we have kept our data because we have created the software industry. So we are basically the root person basically who created the software industry, and we have kept that. This is basically one example of the person basically who left the India in 1992 and went to Dubai basically. So like this, the data basically was given that basically 1 lakh dirham each and every 500 note basically the currency number also basically they are given. So just imagine basically after what level the tracking basically they have done. The Bollywood group industry has it. So basically like this basically the energy and power company and the government basically was surprised basically. We also don't know basically up to this level basically you are keeping the information. Oh, that is great basically. Then basically the government has done some meeting basically the government groups basically knows lots of things, and what task basically we are doing that also might be the Bollywood group might be knowing one day. So what should we do? So that type of meeting basically they have done, and like this basically they told that yeah basically we will do one thing, we will do friendship with the Bollywood group industry, and we will give few more money to the um, Bollywood industry. Like this, basically, they will become our friend basically, and they will not do any harm, and they will not take our chair also. And like this, basically, we are going to do give some assignment to the Bollywood industry, and like this, basically, this was the one of the assignment this from Bollywood government has started. So like this, government told that yeah, basically, you can take this type of projects basically, and you keep the each and every information and each and every stories basically. So whenever the World Bank will tell that we have passed this data, that time basically the we can tell Bollywood industries you just verify this data whether the data which World Bank is given, World Bank groups has given basically that data is correct or not. So like this, the Bollywood industry told that yeah, basically we will be going to check, and we basically are up to the certain level, and we want to earn lots of money basically because we want our Bollywood industry to be become the one of the richest industry basically, and because the software industry also we have created. So up to the level basically the information we have basically in the software companies like Accenture, Capgemini, there basically our database data exists basically. So like this is the information basically are with our software companies, and we are basically totally not dependent, but basically few data basically we have in our diary also. So like this, the Bollywood industry is told that yeah, basically we have created the software industry, and we have each and every information of the each and every softwares basically you can say up to what level software data basically also we have basically, and how basically the software's stories has been softwares has been generated according to the certain level of stories basically you can say. So like this you can just imagine the basically the stuff basically the Bollywood industry has done. So this is basically the 131 part. In 132, basically we are going to discuss a little bit more about the Bollywood industry and the earthquake industry and the formulas basically. And this is basically 131 part. 132 we are going to discuss a little bit more.